siya. Antayin lang natin kasi lalabas siya dito. Tingnan natin. Good morning guys. So we're here at Naiya Terminal 2 right now. Sobrang aga. Around 1:30 umalis na kami sa bahay. Tapos dumiretso na kami dito. Pinark lang namin yung sasakyan. Tapos diretso na agad dito sa boarding gate. So mabilis lang kahit maraming taong umaalis today. Mabilis pa rin naman. So ayun. Dito ma. We're here now sa Cebu. So, landed na. Diretso na ako sa business meeting. So, grabe pack. So, I'm just having my morning coffee, my fresh milk. Kasi gusto ko ng fresh milk or milk sa coffee ko, and then my water. Napakita ko sa inyo ha. This one, I bought this last week sa Ugreen. Ugreen. Baka naman, charot. So, si Ugreen, meron siyang 10-in-1 adapter. So, meron siyang for VGA, HDMI, USBs, mga memory cards. Grabe! Bye! Rose? Aruch. Yan. Ang tari ni mother. The mother is mothering and her birthday. We're here at Newtown Mega World Mactan Beach Resort. Sa Savoy ito actually. So, napakaganda dito. This is my second time here. So, dinala ko si mother. Ang ganda Yan. Ay, ayan, naunahan pa. Ayan, wala ng tao. So, doon lang siya. Ito lang yung infinity pool. Open bar sa gitna. Tapos, syempre, dito tayo matutulog. Char! Dito tayo. Yeah. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa ibang part ng beach resort na to. Happy birthday, Ma!
Thank you!
Yes! Mother-daughter bonding! Ang taray,
Tutsal naman birthday na to.
I know, right? Very madam naman. Si mother is mothering. Pak, ganda Ang ganda. Nagugutom na kami. Good morning guys. So, dito lang kami sa 18th floor. dito na kami sa hotel. So, hindi na ako nakapag-video ng hotel kahapon kasi sobrang busy. Tapos, yan, may cake tayo. Si mama nandito lang sa loob. I'm just waiting for our food kasi walang breakfast na binigay sa akin. So, may malapit namang mga restaurant dito. So, okay lang naman. So, let's go. Ang kinuha sa akin is queen size bed na room. Ganda siya. Very straightforward lang naman. Ay! Okay, so double lock na. Okay, so yan. Hi! This is our bathroom. Shower. And then merong full-size mirror. Yan. And then mga towels. Mini ref. For coffee. Mga gamit nandiyan. And again, magulo na yung room. Kasi si mama ang gulo. Char. Morning, mom! Morning! Nanonood lang siya ng movie. So, we ordered hot cakes. Full meal with sausage. May hash brown. Ang taray nila kasi dalawa yung binigay nila. May isang extra. Ang generous. Tapos, ito, favorite coffee ko yan. So, for tomorrow na yan. Kasi meron tayo cereal milk from McDo. And then si mama umorder lang ng chicken McDo. Kain! Kape nila. Kung masarap ang brewed coffee ng mga taga Cebu. Tikman natin. Pait. Grabe na ito. Parang sinasabi nila na Miss Lara, lumaban kami isang araw ka pa dito. Diba? Bigyan natin. Kasi masyadong mapait. Gusto ko ng fresh milk sa coffee ko. Pwedeng oat milk, pwedeng full milk, pwedeng low-fat milk, whatever it is, basta fresh milk. Ang sarap-sarap niya. Tapos minsan niro-romanticize ko pa itong mga to. So ang ginagawa ko, nililipat ko siya sa mono glass or sa cup. Tapos ang ginagawa ko, meron akong frother. Frother! Social ka, girl. Frother. Tapos talagang yung parang nasa coffee shop. Sa office may ganun ako. So, ginagawa kong ganun sa umaga. Kasi Diyos ko, isa yun sa mga parang looking forward yung coffee mo, diba? And yung breakfast mo. Anyway, very continental talagang atake. You just go there sa open bar. Sa gitna ng Infinity Mall. Let's go. Let's check kung ano yung meron sila. Diyos ko, nakakatakot. Okay. So, over here. Okay.
Yan.
Nabasa!
Naku, patay ka. Paano
Nabasa!
yan?
We're here at the lounge right now. And we'll be taking breakfast here. Sarap nito. This is unsweetened sikwate or hot chocolate nila. Tapos kumuha lang ako na dim sum soup. pa rin ang nanay ko. So, business class daw siya today. We're going home now. Yay! Nag-upgrade ng aircraft from classic A321 to A330. Alam nyo guys, as their children, it may not be our obligation to give back to our parents, pero it's truly a blessing for them when they see that we remember and look back after everything they've sacrificed for us. Minsan lang naman, and just like us, they're not getting any younger, and sometimes they are also experiencing life for the first time. Because before us, they were also dreaming of the kind of life they're now trying to give. Let's always look at our parents the same way they look at us while we were growing up. Let's allow them to experience life for the first time. With us, of course. And let's give them memories that they can carry with them forever.